ThermiTite to the chest is a treatment that involves radio frequency energy applied to the undersurface of the skin in an effort to get that skin to tighten up on its own. Now, if you have a lot of extra skin and your skin has poor elasticity, stretch marks, things like that, you probably need to have a skin excision procedure, and you can refer to my gynecomastia video where I talk about gynecomastia being treated with skin excision and free nipple grafting. If you have a little bit of extra skin and you don't want the scar associated with skin removal, an option for you may be a ThermiTite treatment. So by heating up the undersurface of the skin with the ThermiTite device, the goal is to get the skin to tighten up or shrink wrap on its own so that we don't have to remove any skin surgically and leave you with the subsequent scar. The way ThermiTite works is the probe is placed under the skin. It's a little needle with a radio frequency tip, and I use a heat sensing camera to make sure that I'm getting the tissue hot enough to create a positive change, but not so hot that we create a burn. And that is basically ThermiTite to the chest. It is a solution for people who have thick skin with good elasticity and have a little bit of extra skin, but not enough to justify the unsightly scar of skin excision. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.